Hi, this is Eric, the Stormtrooper Ranch. We've got a box today from Ross Walmsley, RWA props out of the UK. So I'm going to open it and see what it's all about. A lot of plastic, pretty plastic. This is a acrylic capped. It has the plastic that you peel off when you're done. Acrylic capped ABS. Pretty clean pull. I don't know if you can see in there, but it's pretty clean. It's got the RWA on the eye. That looks pretty nice. What I do like about this is he left a lot of room here, where a lot of makers it's cut pretty short, so it gives you very limited space to do. This is nice that it's long. Came with the acrylic lens, some frown mesh, all the screws, bolts, and mic tips. 2 sets of ears. One's rough trimmed already. The other one isn't. A V-brow and the, again, a Z trim, sort of like what RS Props uses. And a cap and back. Pretty nice deep bowls there. Some get it really thin. This one's pretty nice and deep. Again, acrylic capped. Really nice thickness. It's not real flexible. And then he has, he sent me a patch. Thanks, Ross. Got his Empire Strikes Back decals. Tube stripe decals. Oh, I wanted to hand paint. It sends me the templates for that. That's even nice. Yeah, pretty nice kit. Comes with everything you need to do. And appreciate you sending me all this, Ross. That's what comes in our RWA kit. Really nice. I'm looking forward to building it. I'll probably have it built tomorrow. And we'll see where we go from there. Hope you enjoyed this. Have a good day.